You need some help installing Blue Devil products? I got you covered. Let's go. Again, welcome back to the Blue Devil Products Garage. Today, it's all about your AC unit. So Red Angel AC refrigerant stop leak has a unique ability to add loss to refrigerant while permanently repairing AC leaks without damaging the system or the recovery unit itself. It's safe and extremely easy to use. Now, Red Angel is not recommended for systems that lose more than a pound of refrigerant per day or that have leaking compressors. So how does it work? Simple. You pop the hood, you locate your AC low side service port on this truck that's right over there. Now, once you located it, you want to remove that little plastic cap. Looks kind of like the cap on your valve stem on your tire. All right, you also want to remove the top of the product top right here. You want to start the engine, turn the AC to maximum cooling. Now, before you connect this adapter, you want to give the can a big, vigorous shake, okay? Now, once you've attached it, right, you begin depressing the top of this can to inject the product. Now, you want to shake the can while you're depressing the top of it, and that way you get all of the product out of the can and into your evac system. All right, it could take 3, 4, 5 minutes or so. But once evacuated, you want to remove this coupler, replace the cap on the low side port. Now, you may need to top it off with additional refrigerant, depending on how low the refrigerant level was before adding the Red Angel. So have fun, drive your life, and live leak-free. We'll see you next time. If you have more specific questions regarding this installation or any installation, contact the Blue Devil Products Tech Team at 1-888-863-0426 or online at gobdp.com.